Namaskar friends, this video is about the digital aura scanner. As you might be knowing, if you are an astrologer, a Vastu consultant, Reiki healer, whatever you are, you might be knowing how successful our traditional aura scanner is, which is called manual aura scanner, universal aura scanner. These aura scanners are being appreciated not only by Vastu consultants, astrologers, Reiki healers, energy experts, but by the all segments of the society. They are bureaucrats, they are politicians, they are scientists, they are doctors, they are nutritionists. All walks of life, persons from all walks of life are appreciating. They are saying this is a miracle, magic wand, and they have reasons to say this. You might have seen their video testimonials, text testimonials on Google, YouTube, everywhere. They are appreciating how our aura scanners are creating miracles in their life, how it is making their process easy and result oriented. This is the most effective aura scanner in this world, being used in the more than 100 countries. Yes, in more than 100 countries our aura scanners are being used very successfully. So now we have launched a digital aura scanner. Why we got delayed in launching digital aura scanners? You will know the reasons when you see another YouTube video in which we have compared traditional aura scanner or digital aura scanner. So you'll know we will release multiple videos about the digital aura scanner, how it works, how to operate, how to start, how to install, so many things you will come to know. But this video is only introductory video, what you can do with the digital aura scanners. Digital aura scanners means you need not to use the traditional samples in the traditional aura scanners, manual aura scanners. We used to send a lot of samples, 2 boxes of the samples, in which you could see so many things, you could check so many things, you could assess so many things. So a lot of things you could do with the manual aura scanner. The same way you can do with the digital aura scanner, but you need not to carry these samples because these options are given in an app which is installed in your mobile, app is connected with the digital aura scanner, and you get you have to operate through mobile and seek a particular option, and when you will after being connected with the mobile, if you operate this digital aura scanner, you will get the proper results on your mobile screen. So it is something that it is very easy. So a lot of weight has been reduced in the digital aura scanner, but for this digital aura scanner, the connectivity, Bluetooth and the internet connectivity is the must. So there is some benefit, some losses, and which I will give in detail in another YouTube video, which you should certainly see. Okay, otherwise there is a lot of similarities between them, and let me introduce you the miraculous aura scanner digital model, which is going to create a lot of miracles in your life. So this is the bag you get when you order digital aura scanner from us. This is the bag. This is very handy. You can see this is very lightweight compared to our manual aura scanner. This is quite lightweight, and you can carry it like a pleasant briefcase. And when you open this bag, this is very effective chain. I am opening this. So this is the things. These are the things you get in this, these are the 2 digital aura scanners, and this is the charger, because without charging it cannot work. These are 2 masses and the wires to connect the masses, and this is these are the wires, okay, to connect the mass, aluminium mass. Let me show you aluminium mass. If you have seen this is the aluminium mass. It is used for connecting a person to the digital RI scanner if you want to use that option. And this is the thing to carry this to connect and carry on your shoulder strip. And anything else? No, this is all which you get in the name of digital RI scanners. But the let me take it out, digital RI scanners, okay, both the, so that I can show you. Okay, so this digital RI scanner works like the traditional RI scanners in the same way. It opens, it says yes, no, percentage, everything. But the benefit is that its readings are visible on the your mobile app in the accurate digits. That is why it is called digital aura scanners. In the traditional RI scanners, you have to guess what is the percentage. But in the case of digital RI scanner, you get the readings. Okay, so this is only introductory video, so that you can understand what you will get, what you can do with the help of digital RI scanner. Okay, so what we have done in the mobile app, if you open a mobile app, all the subjects which you can assess with the help of digital RI scanner have been divided into two things. You have person and place. Person and place. So person means if you are checking anything about a particular individual, that is that segment is called person. If you are checking anything about a place, that is called vastu or something like this, energy, feng shui, everything. So that is called that those subjects have been placed in the segment of place. So first is the person. In case of person, these have been divided into segments for the sake of convenience. These have been divided into astrology, chakras, diseases, planets, colors, gemstones, Rudrakshas, elements and numbers. So these segments have been given for the sake of convenience, because if you are in the hundreds of options, you might have been confused. So let me elaborate what options you will get. In the case of astrology section, the first option is to check the positivity. You might be knowing positivity. Positive sample was hero in case of traditional RI scanners. So in this case also, positive option is going to be used in the most cases to check yes or no, to check the percentage of possibility, to check percentage of success, and everything. In majority of cases, you will check positive option. Next is negative option. When you see anything negative, suppose that you said anything negative, what is the percentage of negativity? You will get to know about the help of negativity sample. The third is the sample is third option is UV. UV is the ultraviolet, and it is used for knowing the something, if something has been done, evil eye, something like evil eye, or high power negativity, something like bad souls, you will know with the help of UV sample. Then there is the Bandhan Dosha. Bandhan Dosha is in the traditional astrology, traditional energy science, it is said someone has bound you. Bandhan means binding. So suppose with the help of tantra or black magic, someone has bound you and you are unable to grow. If someone comes to you that he is unable to grow, whatever steps he takes, he fails, then Bandhan Dosha sample is used. Then there is Pitri Dosha. Pitri Dosha is the anomaly of ancestors. Suppose that some ancestor has died with a grudge, then you can check and it is affecting you even today. Then Pitri Dosha or ancestor anomaly is used. Then there is Kala Sarpa Yoga. Kala Sarpa Yoga is very popular thing in the astrology. When if all the planets are between dragon's head and dragon's tail, or Rahu and Ketu, or called Rahu and Ketu, then it is called Kala Sarpa Yoga. You can check very well. Then Then there is a Mangalik dosha, means dosha of problem of Mars in your horoscope, which normally causes delay or difficulty in marriages, which you can check very well here. Then there is Pisaach Yoga. Pisaach Yoga means the combination for demon. If you have a combination of demon in your horoscope or in your body, then you can check. It is rare, but it is very dangerous, and with the help of this you can check very well. Then there is a combination of for marriage. You can check whether the person is going to marry or not, how it is going to be, good or bad. You can check with the help of marriage yoga. Then there is Santan Yoga. Santan Yoga means children, combination for children, whether you are going to beget any children or not, you can check. Then there is a combination for jail. If someone is going to be jailed or should be sent behind the bars, you can check very well with the help of this digital aura scanner. It will say you clearly. Then there is a combination for bail. Bail means if you are behind bars, you will get bail or not, you can check very well. Then there is a combination for loan. Whether you will, if you applied to bank for a loan to a financial institution, then you will understand, you will get to know with this whether any loan you will get or not. Then there is a option for checking possibility of success in business. Second thing, in which business you will get success, you can check very well. Then there is a combination for checking success in getting a job, and in which company, in which sector you will get the job. Then there is an option for checking possibility of getting divorce. Many persons will come to you and will ask you whether they will get divorce or not. Then there is a combination for studying in a foreign place, whether you will study in foreign or not. You can check with this option. And then there is a combination for own home, especially in Asian countries where space is scarce. Many people will come to you to check whether they will own their own home or not. So you can check with this. Then there is a combination of foreign settlement, whether someone will settle in a foreign place or not. Then there is a combination for visa, whether he wants to ship to some, he want to go to some foreign country, he will get visa or not. So all these combinations are in the this astrology section. And I want to say you only one thing, the results depend how you have been trained. And it is not miracle that the persons who have been trained by us are getting best results. More than 100%, their accuracy is around 80 to 90% compared to other RS scanners where success rate is only 20 to 30%. 20-30%. And this is the reason, because our training is the best, and we activate the kundalini, your inner energy. In our training, I will get the best results when you are getting trained. And that is the reason many people are in internet, YouTube are saying this, that if you are not trained with our Acharya Kalki Krishnan or AstroDevam, you will get failure, you will not get the desired results. And training is the everything in case of aura scanner. So don't miss our training. I make you believe 60 to 70% buyers of aura scanners are the persons who have already bought the aura scanner from some other place. Now they get disappointed when they buy from us other place. When they come back to us and buy from us, then they get the required results. Then after the astrology section, there is a chakra, option for chakras, with the chakras which are wheels, energy wheels on our body. Then base chakra, sacral chakra, solar plexus, heart chakra, throat chakra, third eye chakra, crown chakra. All the chakras you can check whether someone is blocked and what is the energy. Then there is a segment of diseases. I already told you which disease you can check. There is a long list: low BP, high BP, heart problem, diabetes, liver problems, bone diseases, migraine, cervical, lungs problem, asthma, kidney problem, there is another segment option for checking kidney stone, then gallbladder stone, then joint pain and nervous system. Thyroid option for checking whether you have thyroid or not, checking for checking whether you have cancer, a possibility of cancer, then sinusitis problem, acid problem, uric acid checking, then cholesterol, intestine and blood diseases. All the options have been given, and believe me, in the training, when you come to know, we can check all these with such a confidence. You will be mesmerized to understand that, wow, this is, all these things I can check with the digital aura scanner. Then there is the option for checking the strength of planets, grahas, Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, and dragon's head and dragon's tail, means Rahu and Ketu. All the 9 grahas, 9 planets, you can check their strength in our horoscope with the help of aura scanner. We don't give the option of Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, because they are not important in the Vedic or traditional astrology, which has become more authentic, more popular most astrology all around the globe. Then there is option checking the suitability of gemstones. First gemstone, ruby, pearl, coral, emerald, yellow sapphire, diamond, blue sapphire, and then hessonite, and then cat's eye. All the 9 gemstones which are connected with the 9 planets, you can check their suitability, whether these planets are suitable for you or not. This is the way you can check. And believe me, if you are not checking suitability with the aura scanner, there may be error, there may be some fault in taking decision by astrologer. But with the aura scanner, because you are taking decision with the help of cosmic energy, there is no possibility of any error. Then there is another set of options of checking suitability of colors for you, and the options given by us are orange, white, red, green, yellow, off-white, blue, black, brown. All the suitability of all these colors you can check with the help of aura scanner. Then there is segment of Rudrakshas. The Rudrakshas are very powerful, and AstroDevam is famous for giving best real Rudrakshas, and Rudrakshas options from 1 phase to 14 phase, and Gauri Shankar and Ganesh Rudraksha option have been given the digital aura scanner. And there is some difference of checking suitability of gemstones and suitability of Rudrakshas, which you are elaborated in the training. Or you can see a lot of YouTube videos posted by us on specific segments. Then there is an option to check the strength of 5 elements: earth, air, water, sky, and fire. All the 5 elements strength you can check in a person with the help of this option. Then the last option is numbers from 1 to 9. Which number is suitable for you? This is the segment of numerology, just like colors option was for color therapy. So you can check which number are suitable for you, which number are not suitable for you. Easily you can check. Okay, so all these options were for an individual. So checking whether so many things you might be have so many options for checking a person. Okay, but they are very effective, they are very reliable, they are very result oriented, they are highly efficient. Yes, and with the help of this digital aura scanner, which is very handy compared to our traditional aura scanner, which has some weight and a lot of kit samples, everything. So, but it is very handy, very lightweight, and you can use them. Okay, with a highly result oriented way. So this was the person. Now I will give you the options which you give in the digital aura scanner with respect to assessment of a place. With respect to assessment of a place, with the help of this digital aura scanner, which are very miraculous, the options are geopathic stress, home vastu, industrial vastu, checking elements, checking directions, checking Vastu deities, and some general things which we have placed in a separate segment. First जो है the geopathic stress. If you are a Vastu consultant, if you are energy expert, you must be knowing geopathic stress. And geopathic stress is very prevalent. Suddenly people have awakened about their effect. If there is a geopathic stress, it is very dangerous thing. People were not aware about this, but suddenly they have come to know about this. So geopathic stress you can check very easily with the help of this digital RI scanner, and the whole process is elaborated in the training, and how to mitigate that geopathic stress, you can check that. Okay, thereafter the option is Home Vastu. If you are going to check the energy of a home, the options we have given is the checking important papers, inverter, refrigerator, temple or any religious place, almirah, main gate, locker, dining table, sofa set, study table, gas stove, microwave, water tap, toilet seat, mirror, staircase, generator. All these options have been given in the case of Home Vastu, and believe me, they are very effective. You might not be aware about the concept of Vastu, but you can check the energy of these things with the help of this digital aura scanner. And beyond this, there is Industrial Vastu. In the case of Industrial Vastu, we have given the option of borewell, waste material, whether place of waste material we are keeping is good or not, raw material, finished goods, machine, lift for goods, staff sitting, boss sitting, whether staff is sitting is good for staff or not, whether where boss is sitting, it is good or not. Then there are computers. So all these options we have segmented in the Home Vastu and Industrial Vastu, but there is no straight line, dividing line between them. And because just like important papers I told you in Home Vastu, you can check place of important papers in the industry also. In the same way, borewell, maybe you may have done borewell in your home also. So don't, it is only for the sake of convenience, otherwise they are extrapolating to each other. And same way you can check the Vastu of a commercial place or any organization, government office, with the help of these samples you can check. And with the help in the both the options, Home Vastu, Industrial Vastu, we have given the option of checking the center. Why we have given center? You can draw the line and check the center, but if it is perfect rectangular or square, then only you can know the center. But if it is irregular shape, knowing the center is very difficult knowing the center of a place. If it is regular, suppose that you are owning a flat apartment, some windows may be coming out, balcony may be coming out, or some setup may be there, so you are unable to check. If there is irregular shape of plot, just like normally builders do, then energy may be different and center may be different. But with the help of this or digital or eye scanner, you can very well check the center of a place. So in the both case of Vastu we have given. Then thereafter we have given the option of checking the elements. Just like you have checked the elements for a person, you can check the elements for a place, and this is very effective. Then the directions, you can check 16 directions. Believe me, there are 16 directions in the Vastu, and all the directions have their individual characteristics and specification. And with the help of this digital aura scanner, the options having in 16 directions, you can check their strength very well. Then there are options for checking the strength of Vastu deities. As per traditional Vedic Vastu, there are 45 deities in the Vastu, which you can check with the help of this. Then there is a general segment of Vastu. In this first option is checking the positivity. If you are visiting a place, you can check the positivity of the place, how positive in this age. This is very important, and just like in a person, you can check in multiple ways and ask after using this option, yes, no, and so many things. Then there is a option of negativity, negative, checking negativity. You can check the negativity, whether how much negative the place is, and thereafter the option is UV, ultraviolet. Then against the small ghost negativities, evil eye, everything covered by this जो है. And then there is a Pisaach Yoga. Pisaach Yoga is your combination of checking one place for the demons. You must have heard about the ghost buildings जो है. So it is something like this. No one can survive in their buildings, and you can see the intensity of the negativity, intensity of the place of the demon or highly negativity with the help of this Pisaach Yoga. Then the last one is the Bandhan Yoga. Bandhan Yoga means someone with the help of Tantra or black magic has bound a place, and the persons staying there in that place are unable to grow. They feel that they have been bound by, in a way. Then Bandhan Yoga, Bandhan Dosha option may be used. So these were the options for checking energy of a place. And the same manner, like a person, you can upload photo of a place to know the strength if the place is far from you. But in place of uploading photo, you might be knowing that the strength may come not automatically if your Kundalini, but your Kundalini is activate. I know the way how Tantra or how the mystical sciences work, then only you can check after uploading the photo. Otherwise you are not getting you are not going to get the results. So attend our training, in which all the Tantra tips and practices are passed on to you. Believe me, they are very effective, but they are very mysterious. No one knows except the persons who are trained in Tantra. And I teach you all these tricks and tips you have in a very effective way, understandable way, easy way, and result oriented way. So don't miss. If you are buying a normal RI scanner or digital RI scanner, don't miss the training, because all the persons you have on the internet, you must have seen that how they are speaking about the validity or efficiency of the training, how it is going to enhance. And the last thing, the mass and the wire which is used in this, how to use. Yes, you can check the energy of a person or place just by keeping handing this way, or for the better results you can check by place connecting this mass with this RI scanner. This wire has two sides. One side is goes to here in this like this, and another side goes to this mass here. And once you connected both the masses with both the aura scanners, you place on the palm of a person, on both the palms of the person, these masses, and then you get the better results. Then you get the better results with the help of these masses. Okay, so in the same way, if you are checking the energy of a table or place, then you can use these masses with for the benefit of your client. So it was all. It is only introductory video how aura scanner works, how to install, how to start functioning, everything we are giving separate videos which you should see. This only introductory video, so that you can come to understand how it works and what you should expect from these miraculous instruments. And believe me, like our very popular, very prevalent traditional aura scanner, these digital aura scanners are also very effective जो है compared to the digital so-called digital aura scanners sold by others who don't know the exact science of this miracle. Okay, thank you. So this was all about the digital aura scanner introductory video. I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from AstroDevam. Thank you.